In my last arrow video, I gave you this short right here, and we took out a pretty big chunk of longs. That basically top longs right here. We can see a lot of people longed exactly at the top, right here and right here, which was a big issue. Let me just zoom in to show you. $134,000 right here at the top, and obviously they got destroyed. You can see them closing positions. Some of them are still underwater and they're holding, but they're about to get liquidated very soon around these lows, because this is where they're having their stop losses at. So what will happen right now? First of all, let's start with the daily chart. Daily chart looks good. These are different trades that we've done on it, and we're getting a perfect rejection. Look at the short, look at the long, look at the short. This is beautiful. We're getting a perfect rejection right here from the 10 EMA. We got a rejection here at the 20 EMA, but yeah, right now I do think that at any point we can go either to the 50 EMA or the 10 EMA. So this is what I would be looking at. There's two scenarios, right? Either we'll go long at this level right here, and I'll mark it out, or this level right here, I'll go short. So this level right here is the 50 EMA. I'll wait for confirmation, shorts closed to enter, or longs closed to enter the top yellow line. So basically I'll write it right here. We're going long here, short here. It coincides with this area, so I'll be very happy with that as well. So this is basically my arrow price prediction for the day. If you're wondering how much I'm up trading MIP coins, here it is. This is a new account as well that I'm growing. If you want to learn my strategy, use the link in the description down below for my course. I made it super cheap, and also in the link in the description down below, you'll find links to my Signals chat. Also, right now, there's a lot of new user exclusive bonuses, like this $30 bonus from BLOFIN. Deposit $50, get $30 on top of that, just like that. Live with all my heart. I'm interested in making more IRO videos tomorrow, and I'm doing this every single day. So if you appreciate that, you know what to do. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's meet again tomorrow.